What up, Finesse family? We back with another video. This is basically a continuation of the last video. If you guys didn't watch it already, you can pretty much see where I started. I'm tracking the growth of my Robinhood account so you guys can follow along and see what stocks I'm investing in, my positions in the stocks, and based on my personal due diligence, reading and researching on different stocks.
Nice.
Hey, what up, y'all? Real quick, I forgot to hit the record button on my screen, so I thought it would be even better for me to just catch the market while it's open. Some of the numbers aren't gonna line up, but basically it's me being transparent and showing you like the good, bad, and the ugly. Like I said, it's not all gonna be smooth peaches and cream every day. You're gonna see the market fluctuate. At the same time, you get a better feel for what to prepare for in situations like these. All right, so yeah. Let's get back to the video. My account looks a lot different. I sold off a lot of stocks since the last time you guys saw. I had maybe 2 or 3 more, which was Roblox, 2 other free stocks that I sold from some people using my link and obviously signing up and getting started in their investing journey. Don't get me wrong, they're a good company. Pretty much we can look up Roblox real quick and see where they are at. Right now it's 8:46 in the morning. We got about 14 minutes till the market opens. So this is showing basically on the day Friday, and today's Monday. New week, so new week, new money. Let's get it. I sold it right here, around here. I think it was like $73.89. Actually, we could look at it. Sold it on April 9th. For a profit. You guys do the math, or yeah, just do the math real quick and then you can see. But yeah, I sold it, left with $1,610.84. So honestly, I just didn't want to sell for a loss. That's why I held it for so long. But yeah, I got my money, got out of there. The other stocks, the free stocks, I just sold and then took the profits and invested them into these stocks that you see on my screen now. Right now I have BNGO. I'm in at an average cost of $7.77. Now I bought in kind of high, around $8.38 or something like that. I was waiting to sell Roblox so I had more money to invest. I have 217 shares of BNGO. Average cost $7.77. That's actually a lucky number, so let's hope we hit the lotto with this one.
Stop it. Get some help.
We're slowly climbing back up. Stocks are starting to wake up again since that whole market correction over the last couple months. Just held most of my stocks and endured that and didn't panic sell. Don't be out here panic selling, just be patient.
Okay.
Then the next stock I invested more money into was FTFT. I do want to say this though, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy these stocks. I'm not telling you to put your rent money up. I'm not telling you to put your cell phone bill or your car note up. This is just stocks that I'm investing in. I'm just tracking the growth. This is what I'm putting my money into, and it's based off my research. I would encourage you guys to do your own due diligence on each stock and find a few that you like, and then you'll be able to choose stocks based on your research a lot easier. So yeah, I have 224 shares, average cost $5.37. Today's return, which like I said is actually Friday and today's Monday, is $24.67. Next stock I have is GNOG's Golden Nugget Online Gaming. I bought this kind of high, but it's definitely been doing work for me. Today's return down -5.16%, and then the total return is 32.11, which is up almost 10%. Next one is APXT. I'm really trying to catch the stocks that dropped down during the correction, buy them at a lower price point, and then ride it back up. That's the name of the game. Obviously, you buy low, sell high. That's pretty much an update of my portfolio right now. If you want free stock, hit the link in the description. So altogether, we're not too far from 3,000 like I said. The short-term goal is to reach 3,000, and then from there, 5,000, 10,000, and then the long-term goal is to have 100K in my portfolio altogether. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna keep uploading these videos. There's gonna be more videos like this, tracking this whole Robinhood portfolio. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.